Hey guys, it's Jay again. Today I want to show you guys how to use a partner of ours called Project Expedition. This is a great company to work with if you're looking for tours and shore excursions, activities, things to do in different destinations. As you can see, they have stuff just about everywhere. But one of the great features that they have here is specifically if you're booking cruises for people, the Shore Excursions tab here in the middle is great. You can cut in here. You can actually search by cruise line or ship name. So, for instance, I have some people going on the Majestic Princess. There it is, Princess Cruises, right? And then I can pick their actual sailing date. We'll say it's August 12th. It's a 7-day. Well, let's find a northbound. Okay, so we'll do the August 19th. Is a Voyage of the Glaciers with Glacier Bay. If I pull this in, I hit Show Itinerary, it's going to pull this really cool thing, and it's going to say, oh, okay, on the 19th, they're in Vancouver, Ketchikan, Juneau. Shows every port, and then it shows what they offer in each of those ports. So whale watching, and the Gold Belt Tram, all kinds of cool stuff that they can do in Juneau, right? So that's really cool. It expands, and then right here at the top, there's actually a referral link where you can actually grab the URL like this, copy it, and you can put that into an email for your client. And then what happens is, get my email over here, right? We're going to send this in here. For those of you that don't know how to edit a hyperlink, you just highlight your link and you go down to this little insert link button. Excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold. You want the link on the bottom, and the top is what you want it to display. So you can just change this to say um, Alaska Shore Excursions, right? And then when I hit enter, now I have Alaska Shore Excursions, but it links to that link. So if I hit control and I click on it, I can actually, they'll just be able to click on it once you send the email. But as you can see, it brings us right to this page. And then this page is already got your referral link. So I've signed everybody up as of this recording. I will send that information in this email along with this video link, um, and let everybody know what your usernames and passwords are. And you guys can get logged in, change your password, and you're good to go. But this is really, really useful if you book cruises or plan on booking any cruises, to be able to jump in here and be able to pick. And you can do that anyway. You can say Carnival. They're in here for all of them. So Carnival, Dream, um, Eastern, Western Caribbean for 6 nights in March, right? Same deal. What can I do in Costa Maya, Belize, even Galveston? Their departure city. They have cool stuff up in Houston, Galveston itself. So these are other things in the area they can do before and after their cruise, and of course like Cozumel and things that they can do in their port stops. So really cool one. A lot of times people will ask if they should book excursions with you or outside. This is a really good tool to be able to say, hey, I can show you the offerings that I have that maybe the cruise line doesn't, and send this over to them. There's some extra commission, some extra money on the table that you can pick up. If there's something specific that the cruise line offers that you don't see, you can just tell them to book it with the cruise line too. So um, if you have any questions about Project Expedition, excuse me, feel free to give me a shout about it. But that should just about wrap it up. This is pretty straightforward, and they, like I said, they do pay commission. It should be 10% on anything in here. And they're really been really good to work with in the past. They're good with communication and getting messages to and from you if there's a supplier change or anything like that. So let me know if you have any questions.